So open Word and you'll find here a some templates that you can use for many applications. So you even have here a report, student report style template, calendars, flyers, certificates. So those are nice to use and you can actually search for more online. So they provide all this so that you don't have to rethink, redo things. But of course, for our term project, we'll start with a blank document. So start with a blank document. And from your term project, week 2, kindly download the PowerPoint. So week 2 term project PowerPoint. I have it here open, so let me just go there. So CAD term project, creating architectural working drawings. So you can use any material that I have approved or you have approved for your term project. So we've done that. Okay. There are things that you need to do for the term project. We need a cover page. So kindly highlight this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to paste it here. So this will be your cover page. And I would maybe highlight this so I know that I need to delete this, maybe even the cover page. I'm just going to highlight all of this so that I know that I need to create a cover page here. You can insert images. Normally when I insert images, I use a text box. So insert text box. And what it does is the text box becomes a container for my images. So I can go to my Arch Daily project. So let's say, let me go to archdaily.com. And let's say I'm doing one of these projects. Let's search for residential. Okay. So let's say I'm doing this project right here. So I can highlight this and maybe place this as my title. Okay. So you can design your cover page in whatever format you'd like. And likewise, you can copy the image and paste it in your text box. What I like about text box is that I can move it anywhere I like it to go. Right? And of course, I can click on this button right here, layout options, and I will just say maybe I can place it behind text. Meaning to say it doesn't really interfere with my text, or I can even say wrap around the text. So you can either do that, okay, in different fashions, okay, or make it go over your text. So you can place this anywhere within your drawing. So I like text boxes, and I can even remove that box border by right clicking on it, selecting format shape, line, and just say no line. Now sometimes the difficulty with turning off the line is that when you do need to move this, right, becomes a little bit difficult. Okay, make sure you know that there's that line right there that you need to move your image around. Okay? And of course, I can make this bigger and make my image bigger as well. So that will be for your cover page, right? You write your text here, your title of the report, author of the report, who the report is being prepared for. That's yours truly. So you write my name there and the date you're issuing the report, which is week 13. Okay, week 13 based on our submission date. Okay. So that's the cover page. Now, you can create a new page easily by hitting the control button and then enter. So control enter is a page break. Okay, so let's make sure that this belongs here. So page break, that creates a new page for you, and in the next page you're going to be placing your executive summary. So highlight this, control C, and I'm going to place it here. Now, this just reminds me that the executive summary is a condensed description of the report. So that's a text. I'm going to highlight this just to give me a cue that I need to delete this. I don't want to copy and paste items in my report. That's just a cue for me to on what I need to place in the executive summary. Okay? So normally each one of these will contain a page of information. So in the executive summary, you do want to write the best items in your report so that I, the reader, or those who are going to take hold of your report, will be interested in looking into your report. Okay, so that's the executive summary. Again, control enter creates another page, and this is where you place your table of content. Okay, so I'll just copy this. So this is for my table of content. Again, I'm going to highlight that to give me the point that I need to delete this particular page. Sorry. Okay, so those are the 3 pages. These 3 pages belong in what we call one section in Word. So you have page breaks, and under layout, you have section breaks. They are different. You can liken section breaks as chapters in a book. So the main idea is that we create a section break for the body of the text or the report so that we can start our page numbering in the section for introduction. Okay, so section 1 introduction, this will be your page number 1. And to do that, you need to add a section break. And I'll show you how that works in a while. Okay, so